Welcome to Leisha today. So today I'm going to go over with you how to sublimate using some Dollar Tree gift bags and a cardboard box. I'm going to try out these different colors just to see how the sublimation works. So if you guys are interested, then stay tuned. First thing you want to do is get your design. So we'll just do a quick design in Canva. So in Canva, go to open a project, whatever size you want, and then hit design, and then in the templates you can go to logo, and then you can pick a logo that you like. So they have like business logos, minimalist, and brand. So we're just gonna do like a quick one. So let's see. So then you can add your info here. So I'm not sure if I like this background. So what you can do, you can remove that. And then once you have a design that you like, so I'm just gonna stick with dark colors for now to see how it shows up. Actually, you know what? I'll put some other colors in it so that we can see how the different colors show up. So I'm gonna go to elements and I'm gonna put color background. Okay, so once you have your design, you're gonna do share, download, and I'm just gonna leave it as a PNG. I'm gonna do a transparent background because I only want the logo. So once it's downloaded, I'm gonna open up Word. So I like to use Google Docs Word. I do have the Word on my computer too, but I just wanted to show you guys, if you guys don't have Microsoft Word on your computer, how you can use Google Docs to do it. So what you do is you just go to Google Docs, do a blank canvas. I'm going to go to insert image, upload from computer, and so here I'm going to upload it. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get the sizing for the bags. So let's do that. I should say the bags. We're going to get the sizing for the bags and the box to how big we want the logo to be. So all these bags are about the same size and the logo is a square. So I just want to measure what I think will be good. Maybe like 3 inches. I feel like 3 inches will be good for that. And then for the box, I want to do the side. And I believe this box is the same size. So let's see. So 9 by 9 by 4. So that means all of these will be the same size. And so let's see. We do maybe 3 inches for this one too. Okay, so just measure 3 inches by 3 inches. There were 4 bags in one box. However, I want to see about getting as many on one page. so we don't waste. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this image and I'm going to do crop the image so that I can get it as close to the design as I can without cutting it off. So right now we're just resizing the design, or I should say cropping it, and then we're going to resize it. Okay. So now that that's resized, I want to then go to image options here, and I'm going to do text wrap so that I can move the image wherever I want it to go. And then I want to go to size and rotation, and I want to make it 3x3, so it looks like I didn't crop it like exactly right, so I'm just going to do this one. So that's about 3x3. I want to leave the dimensions the same. And then what I want to do is I want to copy this and paste it as many times as I can fit on one sheet of paper. I need at least 5. So I'm going to make this a little smaller so we can see the whole page. I'll make it about 50. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like I may only be able to put just 6 on the page, which should be fine. Just have 1 extra. Okay. So then what we're going to do is we're going to print it out to the sublimation printer. So I have an Epson EcoTank ET2803, and I use HTV Ront sublimation paper and HTV Ront sublimation ink. Alright, so I'm just kind of trying to make them so that I can cut them out from each other. I think I still have sublimation paper in my printer, so that should be good. And the ink's good, so then I'm going to go to my sublimation printer. Make sure you have your settings dialed in. That works best for your printer. And then I'm going to hit print. File print. We're gonna go to the sublimation. 1 page, I want it to be 100% scaled. And let's see, do I have my default settings? Preset, sublimation. So I'm gonna go check my options of my printer just to make sure everything looks good. So I have it on best quality. I'm using premium presentation matte paper. I just want to see, yeah, so mirrored is on because this design has words, so you want it to be mirrored so that when you put it onto whatever you're sublimating on, the words are in the correct orientation. So it looks like all the settings are still saved in here. So I'm going to push OK and print. So right now it's printing from my printer, and I just wanted to show you guys again. It's the Epson EcoTank, and it's the ET2803. So this is how it looks when it's off the printer. I'm going to cut each one of them apart, and then we'll go to the next step. So next, what you want to do is grab some not heat transfer tape, but heat resistant tape, and we're going to tape the design. I'm just going to tape the design to each one of these, and then we'll go to the heat press. So I'm not trying to be too perfect because I'm just trying to do this just to see how it will turn out. So I'm going to tape each one of the bags like this. And then on the box, since maybe I have an extra, maybe I'll do one on each side. So over here and then on the opposite side. So on this side and then on the opposite side. When you get everything all taped, I have like some piece of copy paper that I use to cover before I put it in the heat press. So grab some copy paper or some butcher paper or whatever you use to protect your heat press. So I'm using the HTV Ron's auto heat press, and I have my temperature set to 385 for 60 seconds. And this is going to be to do the sublimation on the bags. So once that reaches 385, then I'll put the bags on. I think they'll all fit on here. So what I'll try to do is just put them all on at once. So it looks like if I put them like that, I can press them all at one time. So now I'm just gonna wait for this to get to 385, and then we'll do the press and see how it turns out. So I'm gonna cover these up. And we'll see what it looks like when it's done. Make sure you have some type of heat protected gloves on for your hands so you don't burn yourself. Okay. So I'm going to take these off. And then I'm going to turn this to 400. And then for the time, I'm going to change it to 50 seconds. And this is going to be for the box, the cardboard box. So it's going to be the same setup once it reaches 450. I'm going to cover that with some paper. And then we'll press it. Alright, so it's set. So I'm just going to make sure it's on there good. Gonna wait the 50 seconds and then we'll take that off, and then we'll look at both to see how they look. Alright, let's check out the final product. So this is the blue, like a navy blue bag. Oh, that's super cute. So it looks like you can see most of the colors. It's kind of faded, so it could be maybe pressed for longer, but it is a darker bag. Here's this one, just the regular. Oh, it's ripping. Let's see. Okay, so this is the color on just a regular paper bag, and it looks like the same thing. It looks really good. I don't have the best lighting, but you can actually see this really good. From the camera, you can't really tell. This is the red. Of course, be careful pulling them off, but like I said, these are just practice ones. So there's that. It's the pink. Try to be more careful with this. Ooh, the pink looks the best to me. Look at that. You can see all the colors. It looks beautiful. And then lastly, the box, same thing. Try to be careful. It seems like this tape I have right here is a little more sticky than the blue. Alright. So that looks beautiful. So if you guys want to do color, it looks just fine with the different colors. So try out the colors on your boxes if you're interested in having more of a colorful design instead of doing just dark colors. Well, that's it for today. So thank you for watching Leisha today. And I hope you guys got something from this video. This will be perfect for like if you want to do your own business marketing on your boxes and the bags that you make. And like I said, I used these from the Dollar Tree for practice. I'm pretty sure you can find stuff in bulk and then make these in bulk if you want to. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.